Hi, this is another review of Coloring Heaven magazine, and each time when I am able to discover a new artist of the coloring books, I am so happy. And this magazine gave me a possibility to learn about a new artist from Australia, and her name is Zan Von Zed. She was born in Europe and spent her childhood around medieval castles, and you can clearly see the influence of the medieval paintings in her artwork now. So here we have 40 portraits of beauties, and I immediately noticed that my favorites are in the medieval and Renaissance dresses, but we also have here some fantasy and even modern portraits. Since childhood I was fascinated by the medieval dresses and clothes, so it was a huge pleasure to watch every detail of Zan Van Zet painting, and I definitely will start coloring this book by one of the medieval princesses, maybe with this one with unicorn. And speaking about quality of the magazine, it's pretty traditional for the whole series, so we have decent quality of the paper, suitable for alcohol-based markers, for watercolors, and for pencils. I thoroughly tested the paper in one of the issues in my previous videos, and I have a separate playlist for all Coloring Haven reviews and colorings. So if you're interested, please go to the playlist on my channel, and we will continue to look at all the beauties. You may notice that the artist draws the background in gray lines and the girl herself in black color, and I really like how it looks. But sometimes you definitely have to drop some parts of the girls. I forgot to mention that when you purchase this magazine, you are also able to download from the publisher's website 5 grayscale pictures to color from the same artist. I think that Zan Van Zet's style of drawing faces is quite unique, but I also like how she draws flowers and animals and landscapes on the background. Another one of my favorite pictures. I like everything here, the face, the hairstyle, the dress, and even the background pattern. And we also have a mermaid here. I wish we had also the name of the paintings like we have in other Coloring Heaven issues, but I think that we just have to use our own fantasy and creativity to imagine the names of the pictures. This one is in the modern style, and again this one is definitely one of my favorites, very similar to the medieval paintings. Another one of my favorites, and I really want to start this one immediately. And this one also. So these are 40 portraits, and when I tried to learn something about the artist, I went to Amazon and I discovered two of her coloring books. They are both grayscaled, and each of those books has only 25 pages to color, and the price is much higher. So I definitely think that if you like her style, you can go to the publisher's website and to see maybe you will be interested in purchasing this issue of Coloring Haven. Thanks for watching. I definitely will be coloring pictures from this Coloring Haven magazine, and I would like to know whether you want me to do the speed colorings or maybe a more detailed tutorials when I show you the colors. Happy coloring to all of you, and until the next time!